Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. I finally got one right yesterday. I guessed embossing folder for day 19. So today we're up to day 20 in the Uniquely Creative Advent box. I reckon, look, it's all bumpy and circular. I reckon it is more rhinestones. Am I right? Am I right? Yes! Well, no, not really. Almost. These are mint pearls. So they're not rhinestones. I was close. Focus. There we go. So these are a beautiful mint colour. Little pearls. Really, really pretty. So I was almost right. Alright, let's see if I can get day 21 right. So this was day 20. Join me tomorrow for, we're nearly there, day 21. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.